to say goodbye at last. I've learned to burn and leave the past alone. I've learned to shush my aching heart. I've learned to quickly fall apart so I could sooner regain my composure, you know. And I'm sorry that I let you go, and I'm sorry I put on a show so you wouldn't see how much I broke. And I'm sorry that I felt this way, and I'm sorry I have to say that I gave you some and took away more. These are my bad habits, to say hello and leave too soon for you to know why. And I cry on my own, I whisper loads, and I wish I hadn't said goodbye. If only for your mental high, if only for your sweet smile. If only hadn't let us die, if only had done what was right. I've read through your words again, wondering what I said. Next time I won't leave our love for dead. I've practiced it 1,000 times, writing line after lines. The only broken heart left is mine. And I'm sorry that I let you go, and I'm sorry I put on a show so you wouldn't see